Today's title reveals two critical elements. Main health problem, age-related muscle loss, medically known as sarcopenia. Main promised solution, 3 simple daily habits. Why is this dangerous? After age 60, adults can lose up to 1 to 3% of muscle mass per year. That may not sound dramatic, but muscle loss is directly linked to falls, fractures, hospitalization, loss of independence, and even early mortality. The solution is critical because muscle is not just about strength. It controls your metabolism, blood sugar, balance, and mobility. Protecting it means protecting your independence. A. Hook. First 30 to 60 seconds. Here's a frightening reality. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, falls are the leading cause of injury-related death in adults over 65, and muscle loss is one of the biggest hidden reasons behind those falls. Every year, millions of seniors lose strength silently until one small slip changes everything. One fall, one fracture, one hospital stay, and life is never the same again. But here's the hopeful truth. Muscle loss is not inevitable. It is preventable, if you act early. B. Authority block. Dr. Jeremy Walston, a geriatric specialist at Johns Hopkins University, has spent over 25 years treating older adults. In thousands of patients, one pattern became clear. Those who adopted simple daily muscle protective habits reduced frailty risk by nearly 30 to 40%. This is not guesswork. This is clinical evidence. C. Setup, the science. As we age, 3 biological shifts happen: declining testosterone and growth hormone, reduced protein synthesis, increased inflammation. Your body becomes less efficient at building muscle, even if you eat the same way you did at 40. This is called anabolic resistance. Without the right signals, movement, and proper nutrition, your body literally breaks down muscle faster than it builds it. But here's the key. You can send the right signals daily. D. Debunking segment. Mistake number 1. I walk, so that's enough. Walking is excellent for heart health, but it does not strongly stimulate muscle fibers responsible for strength and balance. Studies show resistance-based movements are significantly more effective at preventing sarcopenia. I once had a 72-year-old patient who walked 3 miles daily, yet struggled to rise from a chair. Why? No strength stimulus. Mistake number 2, not eating enough protein. Many seniors consume far below optimal protein levels. Research suggests adults over 60 need about 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, higher than younger adults. Low protein accelerates weakness, immune decline, and slow recovery. Solution segment, core promise. Habit number 1, daily resistance movement, 10 minutes. Scientific benefit, stimulates muscle protein synthesis. A 12-week study showed seniors improved strength by over 30% with simple chair stands and light resistance exercises. Action plan: 10 chair stands, 10 wall push-ups, 10 seated leg lifts. Repeat twice daily. Habit number 2, protein with every meal. Scientific benefit, activates muscle repair pathways. Aim for eggs in the morning, lentils or chicken at lunch, fish or yogurt at dinner. Spread protein evenly, don't load it all at night. Habit number 3, vitamin D optimization. Low vitamin D is strongly linked to muscle weakness and falls. Safe sun exposure or physician-guided supplementation can improve muscle performance within weeks. Mid-video CTA. If you are over 60 and serious about protecting your strength, press like. Subscribe to this channel and comment below your age and biggest health concern. This community is dedicated to helping seniors stay independent longer. Motivational closing. Muscle is independence. It's getting up without help, climbing stairs confidently, carrying your own groceries, living in your own home on your own terms. The difference between frailty and freedom is daily action. 3 simple habits, 10 minutes a day, a lifetime of strength. Subscribe now and continue learning how to protect your body, your brain, and your future. Because aging is inevitable, frailty is not.